Stuck with the Text Input Framework DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we dive into the Text Input Framework troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Text Input Framework, the Windows Text Input Framework. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of keyboard, touch, and handwriting data links, facilitating the input manifest for modern applications. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Since Text Input Framework DLL belongs to the Windows system core, manual replacement is not recommended. Instead, run sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to scan for corruption and restore your system's protected components. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Text Input Framework file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dim/online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. If you're attempting to install Text Input Framework DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to Text Input Framework and system efficiency. To support our technical team and receive updates on Text Input Framework resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.